Number 30 is ogbon, as we know. Number 31 is mokanlelogbon, which is 1 added to 30. Number 32 is mejilelogbon, which is 2 added to 30. Number 33 is metalelogbon, which is 3 added to 30. Number 34 is merilelogbon, which is 4 added to 30. Now that we're on 35, I'm going to tell you where we're going. And number 40 is where we're going. And number 40 is ogoji. Basically 2 and 20 put together. So remember guys, what number 20 is and what number 2 is, because 2 times 20 gives us 40. So number 35 is marundilogoji. Remember guys, number 5 is maru and ogoji is 40. So 5 taken away from 40 is marundilogoji, which is 35. Number 36, merindilogoji. Ogoji is 40 guys, remember. So 4 taken away from 40 will bring us to 36, which is merindilogoji. Number 37 is metadilogoji. So 3 taken away from 40 is 37. Meta is number 3. D is taken away from, and ogoji is 40. So 3 taken away from 40 is 37, which is metadilogoji. So number 38 is mejidilogoji. So 2 taken away from 40 brings us to number 38. So number 2, remember guys, is meji. D is the word for minus or subtract from, and ogoji is 40. So number 38 is mejidilogoji, which then brings us to number 39, which is mokandilogoji, because sometimes you add the M to it. So you could say okandilogoji, but it sounds better when you say mokandilogoji, just because the other numbers start with an M. So you would also start 39 with an M, even though okan starts with an O, but the rest of the numbers start with an M. So you could always move that M to number 39. So you say mokandilogoji, which is 1 taken away from 40, which is 39. So okan is 1, din is taken away from, and ogoji is 40. So 1 taken away from 40 is 39, and the word for that is mokandilogoji. And now we're on to 40, which I already told you, and it's ogoji. Right, so somebody left a comment that I should do a little recap, which is what you're looking at on the screen now, just so that you'll be able to absorb everything that's been said. The video is not done yet. I do still go and give you a visual recap, which is what I normally do. I feel like it will be nice for you to be able to see it on the screen written out. So yeah, I hope you find this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. So let's go over it from the top. So number 30 is ogbon, 31 is mokanlelogbon, 32 mejilelogbon, 33 metalelogbon, 34 merinlelogbon, 35 marundilogoji, 36 merindilogoji, 37 metadilogoji, 38 mejidilogoji, 39 mokandilogoji, and 40 is ogoji. Right, so now we're going to move on from 40 to 50.